Welcome back to my channel once again, and today I'll be doing something a little bit different, mixing up the XY and BTC chart, comparing the two currencies different move, and see what we can take out of it. So now what I have on my chart here is BTC, but let me start with the XY. For some days now we've been looking at the move, and it has been showing this descending triangle chart pattern, but it was yet to be completed. We're looking at when price was about to break out, we're looking at if it could still push back inside, and it did, and we are right here. So what is the next step? Now the next step is this: if price doesn't break this and this level, then we're going to get a pushback up. But what about if price break through this horizontal support? What are we going to get? This is what we're going to get from here down to this level here. Then we'll drag this and drop it here. So let me adjust this. So we're looking at price around here, price pushing back to this level, and a bit kind of support around here too as well. So but for us to confirm this, we need the body of the candlestick to close. We need the body of the candlestick to close below this level. So let's see what BTC is up to. BTC USD. Okay, let me use the perpetual. Let me see BTC on FTX. Yeah, so now take a look at this. Initially we're looking at a lot of support and resistance, which you guys can see here, but now with the current move of the XY, so we'll be looking at these different moves now. So the first thing is, we're looking at if the XY breaks the support, then we'll be looking at price pushing back to this level here. But we need to be very careful because the XY can just push back up and start pumping back. So let me remove this. So if price continues to maintain this level around here, then we're going to get a push back up. We're going to get a push back up to this level here. Now one of the major thing I'm looking at again, which is gradually forming, is the double bottom, and we're getting, this is the resistance here, in which we have this curved bottom and pointed bottom. So if this can play out the way I'm looking at it, that doesn't mean we are back in the bullish market. Take note of that. I'll still explain what I mean by that. So if that plays out well, then we're looking at a price back to this high. So I want this to come back to, this level here and this level here. If it does, then we're good to go. We're good to go to push higher. So now let's look at the Ichimoku to see what is really happening. If we're getting all the metrics pushing to the bullish side. So first thing, what you're seeing here, you can see how price is inside the cloud. So we'll likely get an edge to edge facing this flat cloud. So the flat cloud will likely get price pushing towards the flat cloud here. Then apart from that, we're seeing the feature cloud, the single span A, which is the blue EMA here, is trying to go back up to twist, and we've gotten our bullish TK cross here, but Chico span is still below cloud but above the price, so we're still slightly bearish. We're looking at facing what is ahead, which is the resistance. So for now, I want to see some kind of move. If price can push back up to this level, we should be very careful. That doesn't mean we are fully back into the bullish market. No, we're not fully back into that. Okay, we still need some kind of move and weekly time frame. So even if we want to get some kind of push back up, I would rather say that this level should be a perfect level for a pullback. This level should be a perfect level for a pullback, which is around let me see, first one around around 29.30. So it should be a perfect level for pullback before we would say okay, we want to push back down or continue pushing higher. So I think that's all for now, and I think ETH would is also pushing hard because it has really gone down seriously. So I'll try to make another video to explain that properly well. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, you get a notification on that new video. So stay safe and happy trading. Take note, everything and anything I share or have shared in this video is not intended as financial advice. Stay safe. Bye.